How did your parents combine DNA? Bentley, are you with us? How did your parents combine DNA? Chocolate. How did your parents combine DNA? Yes, that's where we're getting the traits from. You're getting your parents' genetic DNA. The question is, how are you getting parts of your parents' DNA? Okay, so we're getting half of our fathers and half of our mothers. So half father and half mother. Those combine and they make an offspring. What's gonna have half of your father's genetic information in just got finished talking about these last units.
Or genes and traits. Traits.
What from your father is gonna have half of his genetic information? I'm not asking specific traits, I'm asking how did half of your father's traits get to you? Chelsea answered this for us over in chat. That was sperm. What do we get from our mother that has half of her DNA? Jacob.
I think it's eggs.
Yeah, here's the egg. Egg or ovum. Either way, we're getting half from father, half from mother. Okay. That's what this is talking about. Is we're looking at how you came about. You're getting a trait in your egg. So let's say in the ovum, or in the sperm, you are getting little t. Therefore, in the offspring, zygote, it's going to be big T, little t. Are your alleles, what we call traits. We're going to communicate information that chromosomes contain many distinct genes, which code for the production of proteins. This part we're not talking about yet. Proteins are going to be something we talk about at the end of the unit. They're going to focus on our fourth major macrochemical. We're going to talk about how they're made in the body. We talked about carbohydrates, how they're made. We've talked about lipids, how they're made. We've even talked about nucleic acids and how they were made. Now we're going to focus in on proteins, the last of our four major chemicals. Alright? We'll talk more about this when we come back to it, but proteins are also based on your genetic traits, based on your DNA. This code, that's going to be our DNA. Construct an explanation to describe how the impact of changes to genes, i.e. mutations, located on chromosomes may result in harmful, beneficial, or neutral effects to the structure and function of the organism. What are we focused on here? What is the standard focus on? More about it near the end of this unit, more towards like the late middle. What is this focused on? We're on standard 7.ls 3.2, proteins are 3.1. What is 3.2 focused on? There's one key word in here. What is 3.2 focused on? We're on 3.2, not 3.3. Right here, guys. The definition of a mutation is the change to genes. We're looking at the impact of mutations. Mutations can be harmful, beneficial, or neutral. Let's see how much you guys remember from the beginning of the year. Bentley. What is the most common mutation? So semester 1, what was the most common mutation? Most common mutation in humans. No, it's not green eyes. Try again. Most common mutation. 98% of the population will get this mutation over the course of their lifetimes. You probably already have it. That results in Kelsey's trying to come in the chat and help you. It's cancer. We get one of those nucleotide sequences off that you were talking about, that simple nucleotide polymorphism. That one change of a nucleotide, we get cancer. Not disease, cancer. Which was specifically that unregulated cell duplication when we were talking about the cell cycle. It's when the cell stops following the cell cycle specifically. Bentley, turn your chair so you're facing the screen and stay there. Don't be wandering off. Keep paying attention. Alright, today we are complete with our warm-up to 24-26. We're going to discuss heredity and Mendelian genetics. As I said, homework. We're gonna complete quest 1 before Thursday. I don't want to make it a grade. Do not make me make it a grade. You have time to work on it. Get it done. Then we're gonna finish this assignment. Before we can do that, let's jump over to slide 3 and finish up this assignment. We're talking about a guy named Mendel today. Does anyone know anything about Mendel before I get started? Okay. I'm going to play a quick video then. And then we're going to talk about Mendel. As you are watching this video, I have 8 questions I want you to try and answer. try and answer this as we go.